How to delete your Ashley Madison account. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Bimal from App Guide. In today's video, I will simply show you how you can delete your Ashley Madison account, which is a dating account. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, there might be a time when you come to either meet someone or want to get rid of your account, and this will require you to delete the Ashley Madison account and then move forward. To delete your Ashley Madison account, there are a few steps that you need to take before you delete the account. First, I would recommend to delete all of the pictures of your account, so you can go ahead and do that respectively. And next, I also recommend removing all the information you don't want to be stored on their service, such as it could be your email address or your phone number if you no longer decide to use them. Now, what you have to do is open the Ashley Madison app and then just tap on the three lines which is located in the top left corner of the screen. And on the next specific page, or there's many options, tap on the gear icon or the settings cog icon which says settings. What you have to do is after that, go to the menu option called account settings, and after you click on the settings tab, just select account settings. Over here, scroll down to the bottom until you find the option called delete account. Now, there are two different types of options you can choose. One is to delete your account or deactivate your account. To deactivate it, you can tap on the deactivate option and it's only going to remain inactive until you reactivate your account again. But deleting is a permanent process, and there may be some kind of deadlines between maybe, let's say, 30 days or so on in order to keep your account inactive, and your account is going to be permanently deleted after that. If you choose to delete your account, there will be no way to retrieve all your deleted information, because the app makes it very clear on the deletion page that you will lose several things upon the deletion process, such as a removal of your profile from search results, removal of your profile from the site, removal of messages, and many more things. So just go ahead and tap on the delete account button to confirm the changes. And that's all it takes to delete your account on Ashley Madison. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.